In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio in Kapwing. We'll walk through this straightforward process step by step. So even if you're new to Kapwing, you'll find it easy to follow along. Let's say you have a video project you're working on and you've decided that the audio track doesn't quite fit, or you'd rather have a silent piece to add your own music or voiceover later. Kapwing makes it simple to strip away unwanted audio, allowing you to refine and perfect your project with ease. First, open your project in Kapwing. If you haven't already done so, head over to Kapwing's website, log in, and open your project from the dashboard. Once you're viewing your project, you'll see your video timeline where all your media elements are arranged. Locate the audio layer within the timeline. This could be embedded sound from your video or a separate audio track you've added in before. Click directly on the audio. This action highlights the audio track, indicating it's ready for editing. You'll often see options related to the track appear on your screen, but don't worry about those for now. Our main goal is to remove it entirely. Now, with the audio track selected, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. That key, labeled with delete or backspace depending on your device, instantly removes the selected audio track from your project. It's as if you've erased it from your timeline, making it vanish from the project entirely. If you find yourself having second thoughts, or if you accidentally remove the wrong sound, don't panic. Kapwing offers an easy undo feature. Just press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on your keyboard, and the audio track will reappear, giving you the chance to review and make a decision again. After successfully deleting the audio, take a moment to play back your video. This is crucial to ensure that the correct audio has been removed and the rest of your project plays smoothly. At this point, you might want to consider what you'd like to replace it with. Whether it's a background song or a crisp new voiceover, Kapwing provides tools for you to incorporate fresh audio elements that enhance your project's vibe. Remember that once changes are made, it's always a good practice to save your project. Kapwing typically saves automatically, but double-checking if the cloud icon shows recent changes are saved is wise. This will help prevent the loss of any updates you've made. And that's all there is to it. Removing audio in Kapwing is a fast and efficient way to refine your projects and make space for custom sound elements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident navigating audio edits in Kapwing. Thanks for watching and happy editing!